Do you have dry and rough hands? Well, I used to, because we wash our hands what, 5, 6, 7, 8 times a day? Because ain't nobody trying to catch nothing. And it makes our hands so dry. And please don't even get me started on how bad that hand sanitizer dries our hands out and make it crusty. But is there really a solution? I introduce to you this small black owned business called Hand Scrub by Faith, and it sells amazing hands and lip scrubs. But we're gonna get to the lip scrub a little later. But it's cruelty free, non toxic, vegan, and all natural. This rose hand scrub is made with sugar, coconut oil, essential oils, rose petals, and again, it is all natural. It tells you the directions on the back of the jar, and the scrub is so soft. Have y'all had troubles like with like these hard scrubs? Sometimes the scrubs be just so like super hard, but this one is so soft and it smells so good. This is how I use the hand scrub. So first, I take my rings off because I love wearing my rings. And I'm going to just wash my hands with antibacterial soap. So in the little dispenser, it's just dial antibacterial soap. We don't want to scrub around dirt, right? We got to wash our hands clean first before using this scrub. After getting my hands clean, I don't dry my hands, even though it does say make sure your hands are dry, because you don't want to put water in the jar because this scrub has sugar in it, and sugar will obviously just, water will obviously just melt the sugar. But me doing this method has not affected this scrub at all. So I get a little more water and I just rub it in the middle of my hands. And once it looks like this, then I'm going to start rubbing it around in my hand. Scrubs are meant to be rough, so obviously the sugar is rough against your skin, so it's doing all the work. So you don't have to be rough with rubbing it in. Do a gentle rub and it will go perfectly fine. So now I'm just adding a little water at a time. I like doing this rather than just rinsing my hands off. It just makes the process just a little longer for like even more exfoliation. And yeah, I just like adding a little by little, and then once I don't feel that much sugar or scrub on my hand, then I'll just rinse it off. And I'm using some lukewarm water. And after drying my hands, they feel amazing, like a pillow, like a cloud. What else is soft, y'all? Anything that's soft and beautiful, that's what my hands feel like. And I'll apply a moisturizer after that, and the moisture in my hands and softness lasts for hours. Now let's get into these lips. So at night, I will sleep with a fan on and I will kind of get dried out. And look at these lips, crusty, don't need to be there. But Hand Scrub by Faith got me. I got the pina colada lip scrub, and when I say this smells amazing, like I always be like, oh, this smells amazing, but no, this smells like the coconut snowballs from my childhood. And the scrub is super soft. I love it. Super soft, but also will give you the exfoliation that you need. To start this process off, I would just wet my fingers a little to wet my lips, because I feel like it just makes the scrub just exfoliate a little better, makes it glide a little better, gets to places a little better. So first I just damp my lips just a little, and I will take a little amount just like this. Y'all thought I heard something. I was like, wait, what is that? And I'll just put it on my lips to exfoliate. And when using the scrub and exfoliating, I love to get all around my lips, not just like my actual lips, but like the lining of my lips, because you want that to be smooth as well. Do not forget that part, y'all. And after using this scrub for about 15 to 20 seconds, then I will rinse it off, and I will continue to use a circular motion to rinse it off. It's kind of like how I did my hands, slowly taking that scrub off for using water. I love the way it feels. This using water and just like getting it off little by little works perfect. And then I just get a napkin and dab my lips and make sure I get whatever crust or anything that I probably missed. Look at that. The scrub is beautiful. It's magical. Everything that's in it contribute to my lips looking beautiful. And I just use a Vaseline lip therapy. I love Vaseline. Vaseline is a one-day one. And I just put a little on my lips and it just makes it super soft and it keeps that moisture for so long. Exfoliating your lips using a lip scrub is essential. It's so essential. Look at that before and after. Like, that crust is gone. The moisture is there. Hand Scrub by Faith. Great products. Amazing scrubs. Have your hands feeling beautiful. Have your lips feeling even more beautiful. If you want to check it out, their Instagram and their website is linked in the description box. You won't go wrong, trust me. But thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video. Peace. Hold on. Before you leave, I just want to point out that my community tab will be super active from now on. This week, I asked you guys which I want to see, and majority of you guys said the best hand and lip scrub, which I gave y'all today. And next week will be the Invisalign update. But I usually just give you guys what to look forward to on Fridays, because I upload on Fridays. But I'm going to be doing more voting polls. So make sure that you are voting so you can see the video that you want to see sooner. Alright y'all, that's all I wanted to tell y'all. The community tab, it's going to be active. Alright y'all, bye.